is so sexy. Like, what, it's giving half Avatar, half Mystique. This is actually Avatar though. This was supposed to be Avatar. I was so nervous to do this one. I'm not even gonna front. Oh, let me do my intro. Hold up, rewind it. What's up, you guys? It's Courtney Bree or Coco Bree, whichever you would like to call me, and welcome back to Coco's Halloween Countdown. Hey! So, guys, I have officially posted Hocus Pocus, and I have posted the Muses. When you're seeing this video, I've probably posted like 3 or 4 other ones, but in real time, I'm so happy that you guys are loving my videos. Oh, keep the love coming. I love it, I love it. Before I get to today's vlog, y'all know the drill. Follow me on all my socials, subscribe here. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. I am Coco Bree everywhere. Twitter, I am the Coco Bree, and I also have a Coco Bree cosplay page on Instagram, dedicated specifically just to my cosplays and not necessarily my thirst traps. Since it was just makeup, I didn't do a tutorial because I wasn't sure how this was going to come out, but I can do a tutorial. Y'all just let me know in the comments. I will absolutely do this look again and do a tutorial if this is something that y'all would want to see. I ended up doing this on live on my TikTok. I did the full look on my TikTok live. I pretty much always say when I'm gonna go live, but you can turn on live notifications and it'll let you know when I go live. Like, we be having fun up in there. So yeah, let's get into the video.
I spend my nights being wide awake, fighting off the demons who insist on coming as soon as it's dark. I think I lost my way while I've been busy walking just around in a straight. To say you will figure things out, it will only take a while. Hey.
There we go. Guys, I am absolutely obsessed with this. I was so scared to do it, and look at how we turned out. There's really not much for this behind the scenes vlog. If y'all want me to, I can do a tutorial on this. So this is pretty much what this video is. It's just to like let you guys know that I can do a tutorial if you would like one. Let me show you guys what I did use. So I used obviously the Mehron palette. I hit pan on this blue. If you're gonna buy these paints, I suggest buying the individual ones. Let me just say that. I have the individuals. I have a blue one, it's just not here. These are better. If you're gonna be doing this a lot, the palettes are cute for like a one and done situation, but when you're painting your whole body blue, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm like at the bottom of it. So, and I mixed it with this blue. It's like, it looks white on camera, but you mix it with this blue to get like this shade. And then for the lines, I used James Charles palette, which I know, controversial. I have had the palette for literally years. This is the blue that I use. It's literally the perfect shade. I use the shade Cola to do the blue lines. If you were on my live, you saw that I did some lines at first that were just like not doing it. And I ended up using a finer brush. At first I was just doing like a regular eyeshadow brush. That was not getting it. So I ended up using a fine tip, like a fine tip brush, and drawing the lines to get it like tapered. I'm gonna try to move my wig back. Ooh, child, this wig is torn. The contacts are from Pinky Paradise. I love them for big eye people. This is the way to go. They're covering my whole eye, which is what makes them so much more comfortable than other contacts. I normally hate contacts, y'all, but these are so comfortable. They do require like a doctor's note. Oh, for my nose, I used a lipstick because I didn't have any other pink shades. I didn't have a pink paint with me, so I used the It's My Ray Ray collab that she did with BH Cosmetics. I used it on my lips and my nose. The lashes are Mesmerizing Minx. The eyeliner is NYX Epic Ink Liner that I use in every video, and the brows are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. So that's pretty much a talk through. The wig is Amazon and will not be purchased again. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all of the love and support. My Muses video is doing numbers right now. Whatever day you're watching this, I'm so glad you're here, and I'm through the moon happy that y'all are loving what I'm doing. I will see you guys tomorrow.